Facebook not have a relationship status that says on a break? Because it's the most bizarre thing I've ever heard of. You're not single, you're not committed, you're not married, but it's obviously not that bizarre for Imran and Deepika. And here's why.
Okay, ready, start.
What's up tonight? Start again.
So it's time now for... Start again. One more. Pritam ji.
अजब लहर है मेरी पड़ोसी अजब से छींटे अजब इशारे
They're the new experts on all things related to breaks and breakups. Okay, so we've got a series of questions to ask you guys now that you're going to talk about break ke baad. So everything is related to the term break, alright? And since we like to test everybody on their skills, how could we spare Imran and Deepika? So in your experience, what has been better? Taking a break from someone or just going ahead and breaking up?
Breaking up.
Why?
Because I think Imran and I both believe that if a relationship, either you're in a relationship or you're not in a relationship.
Why? The worst way to break up with someone is?
Over SMS?
I've got a worse way.
What?
You change your status on Facebook.
Ouch. Good, nice.
Nice.
From in a relationship to single.
Single.
So you girlfriend logs onto Facebook or the boyfriend, whichever,
Ouch.
logs onto Facebook.
I don't wish that upon anybody.
How would you get over your breakup?
Same way that everyone does, yeah. You sit and you suffer and you feel sorry for yourself
You
for a
mourn.
long time.
You mourn, you cry, then you feel bad, then you have questions to which you have no answers to,
Yeah.
and then you decide that you just move on.
Move on. And then you find someone else.
Very sadistic next question. Do you believe in breakup parties?
Why not? I think if two people have grown up together, if the breakup has been amicable,
But if you had to have a theme to this breakup party, what would you maybe think is a good theme for a breakup party?
World War III.
Round 1. And these two passed with flying colors. Round 2. And things get rapid, shall we say? The two things you must do while on a break from a relationship.
take a holiday,
Find someone better.
find someone better.
What must you never do?
What you shouldn't do is bring the third person in front of the other.
You never know, things might work out.
Oh, how? Oh, okay. Yeah.
No?
Next question, quickly.
Okay. Who's the one person you'd want to go on a break with?
I can't think of any promising people.
I would take
yeah.
my sister along. She's a lot of fun.
Take your sister on a break.
On a break, yeah, why not?
Diplomatic. Please give us something more.
Someone's calling me diplomatic after too long.
I'll tell you what. I would take a couple of my friends with me to help me. You need a wingman.
Wingman, nice, I like.
Who's the one person you never want to go on a break with?
An ex?
Yes. You suddenly find yourselves sitting side by side on the plane. Hi.
But it's the cliche breakup lines that really get this twosome going. The one thing you could say or do to your boyfriend or girlfriend that would ensure that you definitely, they would say, we need a break.
Listen, we need to talk.
What about you? ...
We need to talk. ...
I've been thinking, we need space. It's just a really difficult time for me right now with my work and my career. Not that I don't love you. It's not that.
It's not you, it's me.
Now my last line of questioning. What does it mean when your boyfriend or girlfriend says to you the following? I think I need space.
I need
All's
space
not
from
well
you.
in paradise.
I need space from you.
It's not you, it's me.
It is me. It's me that really can't deal with you.
No, honestly, it's you, but I don't know how to say it.
I think we've grown apart.
Being honest, thank God.
You started to get fat, and
Of course we'll stay friends.
I would really like it if there was a chance that you and I could hook up in the future, despite not being together. I don't think anyone should take a break.
We don't believe in taking a break.
after all that gyan, I think we need a break.